Strangling Necks is the title of a disturbing new report by Amnesty International, claiming Hamas committed serious human rights abuses against Palestinian civilians in the Gaza Strip during last year's war with Israel.
Within Gaza, Hamas forces targeted Palestinians they accused of assisting Israel. They subjected at least 23 people to summary extrajudicial executions.
According to the report, abductions, torture and execution without trial of at least 23 Palestinians took place in the summer of 2014. Hamas denied the allegations, criticizing their integrity.
This report is politicized and is against the Hamas movement. It lacks the professionalism and the credibility, as they listened to only certain parties, to one side, and they did not listen to Hamas movement.
But Amnesty says it has been unable to send a delegation to visit the Gaza Strip and had to carry out research on its report remotely, supported by a field worker based in Gaza, reviewing reports of court proceedings, death certificates and Hamas public statements.
Amnesty deliberately tried to damage the image of the resistance and to equate the victims of the Israeli enemy and the war crimes committed every day against the Palestinian people by the Israeli occupation.
However, in a previous report in March, Amnesty also accused Israel of war crimes during the 50-day hostilities, mentioning them again in the latest document.
Israeli military forces committed war crimes and other grave violations of international law during Operation Protective Edge. Hamas and Palestinian armed groups in Gaza committed war crimes by firing thousands of indiscriminate rockets and other projectiles into southern Israel.
Almost a year after the deadly conflict, both sides are held accountable by the International Human Rights Organization. The Palestinians have since joined the International Criminal Court, which is examining possible war crimes in the conflict. Until then, it appears no report has any real implications on the difficult reality and day-to-day clashes between the two peoples.